In this video, we're talking about sleep. Stay with me, guys. Welcome back, guys. So today, we're talking about sleep and weight loss. And it's also another collaboration video. So you know what that means? It means that my besties from the YouTube small channel Weight Loss Support Loop are also doing the same video with the same theme. So it means you're going to get some fantastic tips and ideas and also their thoughts on the subject. So please check out the description box below and click on each of the links of each of the channels that are involved in this challenge. Watch their videos, like, comment, and most importantly, please subscribe. It would really help them out more than you probably even know. So please do that. If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, so sleep. Well, all I can tell you guys is I absolutely love my sleep. I need my sleep. My body needs sleep, and I need at least 8 hours of sleep a night. But also I find that I need more sleep in the winter than I do in the summer. So there's all those variations. I believe that sleep really does impact on my weight loss journey because I find that if I don't have a good night's sleep, then I tend to wake up and I'm craving food. I tend to feel hungrier than on those nights that I do sleep well. And I know that we are burning calories all the time just by the fact that we're breathing. We're burning calories, and sometimes when I have a restless night, I'm tossing, I'm turning, then I'm burning more calories too. Sometimes I even wake up in a sweat, thinking it's hot in here. Yeah, so I'm burning calories all the time. And then thinking about it, that would also be a reason why I would wake up feeling hungry. But on nights where I am quite peaceful, I have a peaceful sleep, I don't, and also a full night's sleep, I don't tend to feel as hungry as when I'm restless. Now, obviously, when I'm restless, I'm burning up more calories. So that would account for why I want to eat out house and home. I just want to eat. But also the type of food that I want to eat tend to be stodgy, sugary, carby things. So I could get through 3 or 4 slices of bread, toasted with butter, a couple of biscuits, a packet of crisps, and anything else sweet that I can get my hand on. And that is what I would gravitate to. And being on my journey, I've really had to learn to pull that back. So I might still go for something carby, but maybe just 1 or 2 slices of toast instead of 3 or 4. And I might have like a little spread of butter with a tiny bit of jam on it just to satisfy me. But then also having that natural sugar in terms of fruits. So often I'll have like a banana or an apple or a pear to give me that sweetness. But that is something that I have really, since I've been on this journey, and I've been really mindful of what's happening in my body, that is definitely something that I have noted. I also find that if I've had a restless night, tossing and turning and not being able to sleep, I tend to wake up thirsty as well. And again, that's because I'm burning calories in the night with that tossing and turning. Unfortunately, all those calories don't make a difference on the scale, which is a shame. So does getting a good night's sleep help me lose weight? I would say it doesn't necessarily help me lose weight, but being fully rested, getting a good night's sleep helps me, because I then wake up in the morning, I've got the energy that my body needs to do all the things that I need to do to help me on my weight loss journey. So it gives me the energy to do my exercises, to do my walks, gives me the energy to think clearly, to be able to make those buying decisions when I go shopping. And it also helps me to have the energy to actually stand and do the cooking as well and prepare all those meals. So in that way, I would say yes, definitely having a good night's sleep will impact on my journey, but in itself doesn't help me doesn't help me to lose weight. But long term, yes, the impact it has is good. So in order to help me manage my sleep so that I can make those good decisions, I feel rested and I have that energy, a couple of things that I do at night is in the evening I will have a warm bath, and it'll be depending on what my activity is. If I've been physically active or if I've been doing lots of exercise, I will throw some Epsom salts in there, some essential oils, bath bombs, and my luxury bubble bath. So my bath time becomes a bit of a treat, and it helps me to relax, and I will just relax in the bath listening to some music and lighting a candle and just enjoying the fragrance and seeing the flames, and all of that just calms me down. And then and I can't go to sleep sort of straight after having the bath, so that's why I have that early evening, and it just allows my body temperature to cool down and relax. And one final thing that really helps me to have good night's sleep is to not eat late. So I will normally have my dinner by 6:30 at the very latest. And I don't tend to like to eat after that because I can't sleep on a full stomach. And interestingly, last night I didn't end up having my dinner till about 8 o'clock, and that was the worst decision ever, because by the time I'd gone to bed, like 1-2 o'clock in the morning, I woke up and my stomach was so uncomfortable. So yeah, that it's just something I don't like doing. I like to eat early and have nothing to eat after 6 o'clock, and that really can make the difference to me getting a good night's sleep. So getting a good night's sleep is absolutely essential for me, for my weight loss, but also for my all-round health. And I will do whatever I need to do and adjust my lifestyle in order to get that good quality sleep. So let me know, what do you think? What do you do to help you get a good night's sleep? And do you think a good night's sleep can help you on your weight loss journey? Let me know. Pop your comments in the comment section below. Okay guys, I hope you found this video of value. If so, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you on another video. See you soon guys. Bye.